Hare Krishna meditation. Please do some exercises before you start this meditation. Sit in a very clean and quiet environment. Face either east or north direction. Breathe normally. Try to relax your entire body. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री वासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा राधे कृष्णा. Please help us all to remove the impurities from our body, our mind, our soul. Any kind of lower emotions which we are harboring inside us. With your divine energy, may they be completely disintegrated. If I am harboring anger, resentment, grudge, depression, sadness, revenge, please help me get rid of it completely. With your divine energy and with complete surrender, it is definitely possible. Today I take a sankalp that with this meditation I will become pure. I will be an asset for you in your divine work. I will become your pure channel. May all the unauthorized negative, diseased energy in my body, in my mind, in my soul, be completely disintegrated. May any excess energy continue to go down deep into the earth. And Mother Earth, thank you for your protection. Just focus on the song, on the mantra. Hear it with your full heart and soul. After some time, you may feel energy entering your head, then your entire body. You may feel some vibrations. You may also start crying, and that is absolutely okay. This happens when all the layers of materialistic energies get disintegrated. We connect to our original Father, Krishna. So you may feel that you are far away from Him, and that's the reason you may feel like crying. You may feel that you want to go back to Him, and that's the reason you'll feel like crying. Let the process happen. This is a cleansing process. And after this song is done, you will feel fresh. You can repeat this song even 3 times a day. This is fine. So now we begin the meditation. Radhe Krishna.
This transcendental vibration by chanting of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, is the sublime method for reviving our Krishna consciousness. As living spiritual soul, we are all originally Krishna conscious entities, but due to our association with matter from time immemorial, our consciousness is now polluted by material atmosphere. In this polluted concept of life, we are all trying to exploit the resources of material nature, but actually we are becoming more and more entangled in our complexities. There is no need of understanding the language of the mantra, nor there is any need of mental speculation, nor any intellectual adjustment for chanting this Mahamantra. It springs automatically from the spiritual platform, and as such, anyone can take part in this transcendental sound vibration without any previous qualification and dance in ecstasy. We have seen it practically. Even a child can take part in the chanting, or even a dog can take part in it. The chanting is exactly like genuine cry by the child for Mother. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.